Are you looking for the best travel bags? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best travel bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best roller luggage for any traveler. The impressive construction quality and packing system in both bags make them ideal for business, leisure, and everything in between. We've tested and traveled with several generations of these bags, and we're most impressed by their consistent quality and durability through the years. The carry-on has a 40-liter main compartment that is chock full of pockets, and the checked piece has a generous 117-liter compartment. Both include a roll-away garment bag to carry dress clothes wrinkle-free. What's more, these travel pros are made to last. Jet-setters who are constantly on the go will find these bags able to withstand years of travel, whether you choose to use them in tandem or one at a time. Why we love it: the Platinum Elite bags have some of the best double-wheeled spinners on the market. They glide like a bowling ball, but what we love most is Travel Pro's MagnaTrack registered system, which uses embedded magnets to keep each wheel self-aligned. We also love the dense ballistic nylon shell and angled expansion pocket found on both sizes, which help keep your luggage balanced when standing or rolling. These features make the Travel Pro one of the easiest bags to deal with while in transit, which can often be the most stressful part of travel. The carry-on size sports a pre-wired, external USB port that easily connects to any power bank, giving you on-the-go charging for your devices, and the larger 29 checked version has an even better packing system to keep you organized during longer-term stays. Base weight, 8.1 pounds/12.2 pounds. Packing volume, 40.0 L/117.0 L. Number 2. Favorite hard-sided option. The polycarbonate exterior has a smooth, matte finish, no pockets, and handles that lie nearly flat against the sides of the case, which reduces the chances of damage from air travel. In fact, on one international flight, we checked both a duffel and the away large, and the duffel took a beating on the carry straps and external snaps. The large came away nearly unscathed. While not necessarily budget bags, away luggage is priced more reasonably than most options with this level of durability and functionality, making it a good choice for those who want to maximize their value/cost ratio. Any more affordable, and you'll start to see lower quality materials and fewer features. Why we love it: like most hard-sided luggage, these bags open up clamshell style, and despite having a minimalist exterior, the inside reveals a simple but highly effective compression panel on one side and a zipper closure on the other. This ensures that all your clothes don't come spilling out when you open the bag, and can help you fit more stuff inside. These bags have smaller capacities than average for their respective categories, so we appreciate the efficient compression system. However, the smaller size means they are more likely to fit within international travel size restrictions, which are often smaller, and held to more strictly, than those of domestic US flights. Base weight, 7.4 pounds/11.6 pounds. Packing volume, 35.3 L/99.2 L. Number 3. Solid rolling luggage for a decent price. These bags will appeal to a broad spectrum of casual vacationers who are looking to walk the fine line of spending just enough to get the quality they need to travel a few times per year. I really love mine. I tend to travel 3 to 4 times per year to see family, and I've really enjoyed how the freeform spinner performs in airports and taxi cabs. We don't recommend this bag for frequent international travel, but that said, we do feel it offers a ton of quality for the price. Why we love it: the freeform spinner rolls well, is stylish, has a great color selection, and it boasts a pliable hard shell case made from polypropylene. It's not as hard as polycarbonate cases, but it's still quite durable. We also like this bag's large main compartment, comfortable handles, TSA combo lock, and slide-out name tag. The carry-on bag can pack just about anything I need for everything from a weekender to a 3 or 4 day trip. Overall, These Samsonite bags are fairly basic, but instead of focusing on tons of fancy features, the manufacturer dialed in on lowering the cost while still delivering solid function. And, we think this trade-off makes it a great balance of affordability and durability for the average traveler looking for a good deal. Base weight, 6.6 pounds/9.4 pounds. Packing volume, 41.2 L/112.5 L. Number 4. Best for traveling off the beaten path. In our testing, both bags have higher packing capacity than traditional luggage due to the flexible duffel-style structure. This soft exterior allows you to fit oddly shaped items that can't be folded, like ski boots or a helmet. An external compression system cinches things down again so you have a more compact package. It's ideal for those who prioritize packing flexibility and mobility across diverse terrains. Why we love it: both cases have sturdy design features, and a straitjacket compression system with padded, durable flaps and extra webbing to secure gear. 2 extra large wheels roll smoothly over uneven or gravelly surfaces, and a full-length interior metal frame provides more stability than a typical duffel. Standout features include balance-engineered grab handles, a watertight shell, beefy zippers, an exterior muddy boot bin, and an add-a bag strap. The 40L version also has backpack straps for even more mobility over off-road terrain. A tester shared, "I've lugged my sojourn around the globe for nearly 2 years. It protects my gear and rolls on nearly any surface, especially cobblestone streets. My favorite feature is its adjustable storage system. Its comprehensive, adventure-ready design makes it top of the line. Should you buy it?" These non-traditional travel bags are not for everyone. Weight, 5.2 pounds/8.7 pounds. Capacity, 42.2 L/99 L. Number 5. Best for one-bag travelers. It's ideal for those embarking on trips with impractical rolling bags, such as multi-week adventures or urban travel through crowded spaces. This backpack suits individuals who value a semi-structured packing system and prefer a comfortable, carry-on-friendly bag over suitcases or duffels. Why we love it: it stands out for its integrated, yet versatile organizational system, mimicking the benefits of packing cubes with mesh pockets that divide the main compartment to secure socks, essentials, and larger clothes. The main compartment fully unzips without gear spilling out, and the bag is comfortable for extended wear due to its supportive shoulder and waist straps and back panel. The removable waist strap adds versatility for navigating crowds. One tester raved, "I took this on my multi-week trip through Europe, where a rolling bag would slow me down." Its ingenious organizational system made living out and staying organized easy. Should you buy it? This is for travelers who don't want to unpack while they travel. Accessing items without disrupting careful packing is easy. However, its laptop sleeve is weak, with less padding than we'd like for a full bag and a small, 15-inch sleeve. Available sizes: 20L, 28L, 35L, 42L. Externally accessible pockets, 4. Number 6. Best airline personal item. It's perfect for those who prioritize organized storage for tech essentials like laptops, chargers, and documents, while retaining a compact design that fits under plane seats. This backpack suits professionals or tech-savvy travelers who don't need extensive overnight packing capacity or plan to use it in addition to a larger checked bag. Why we love it: the Timbuktu Authority Deluxe excels with its padded, dedicated laptop pocket and a secondary sleeve for documents or another device, complemented by auxiliary pockets for pens, keys, chargers, or a wireless mouse. Its thick fabric beads water well, and a waterproof bottom protects against wet surfaces. Additional features include a luggage loop, exterior accessory straps, and a water bottle sleeve, making it highly travel-ready. A tester praised, "I like this pack's extra features. It has a luggage loop across the back, dual electronic sleeves, exterior accessory straps, and a water bottle sleeve. This bag is travel-ready. Should you buy it?" This is for tech-focused travelers seeking a compact, organized laptop backpack with useful features for airline travel. Weight, 2.3 pounds. Capacity, 20 L.